Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen hash brown patties in the air fryer. So what we need is Trader Joe's hash browns. They're frozen, no need to defrost. Air fryer cooks them perfectly straight from frozen. So I'm just going to open up the package of this hash browns. So for best results, do not overlap them. If you want them super crispy, just put them in a single layer so as many as fit in a single layer. I think I'm going to fit one more, so this is not exactly perfect, but it's good enough. So here's one layer of hash browns. Now, if you insist on cooking more of them for a crowd, you can do it. Just expect that they won't be as crispy. So if you want, you can put a second layer. You will just have to increase the cooking time and just kind of watch them closely to make sure they're cooked through. So here I have one layer of frozen Trader Joe's hash browns. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 11 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's carefully flip the hash browns over so they cook evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these Trader Joe's hash browns. They look so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks amazing. Let's take them out of the air fryer. So they're so crispy, hear it? Actually hear the crunch. But I love them like that. This is so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So crunchy. So good. They're so crispy on the outside and so tender on the inside. They're amazing. Air fryer is the best way for cooking hash browns. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for very easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!